In this video, we're taking a look at the Tapo dual lens pan tilt camera with a solar panel. Perfect for anybody who does not want to pay a subscription fee. We're going to talk about the install. We're going to look at the quality inside of the Tapo app. And then we're going to test out that pan tilt function, the automatic pan tilt function, to simulate if somebody was stealing your package, you're going to be able to get good footage. We're going to find that out in this review. So let's begin the Tapo C675D kit. Let's start off with the unboxing, show you exactly what you get. This is very similar to another unit that I had reviewed, except this unit, the 6075D kit, has a very large solar panel, but it has everything that you need inside of this kit to install it, which is what we'll do right now. It's super easy. I actually really like this design that the TP-Link has come, because you have this one unit and that's what you're gonna mount onto some type of a surface. And once that's in, it's only 2 screws. And then boom, it slides into that slot, locks in place, and then you can kind of pan tilt it from there. So essentially, with only 2 screws, and you're gonna need a lot of sun, we'll talk about that in a bit, but look how it just goes in and you're basically done the install. The next thing to do is to install the solar panel. And here's my handy tip. Install the solar panel first and then see how much of the cord you have to figure out where you want to place this panel. Now, because I'm putting this on the top of this trellis, I'm just going to mount it directly on there because I'm going to get some great sun in this area. And so just like that, everything is set up. Now, there's one thing you need to do, especially if you don't want to pay those subscription fees, and that's install a micro SD card. And that's in that flap where you're going to turn it on. It doesn't come with the micro SD card. I wish it did, even a small one, but you have to buy that separately, and that will prevent you from paying cloud storage. So here's how it looks once it's installed. Literally, it took me 5 minutes to get this installed. And as you can see on my front yard, what I want to do is track if anybody opens up the fence and walks up to my front door. So I can track all the deliveries, but more importantly, if anybody steals my package, if I get a porch pirate, I'm going to be able to track that. Let's take a look inside of the Tapo app now. The install is super easy. If you watched any of my previous videos, you can watch that for the full install. But essentially, you know, when it comes to security cameras, this is one of the easiest to install. And there's what it looks like. I got my phone in my hand. I'm taking a look at myself with the live view as I'm testing out this camera, and namely that pan tilt function, because you see I got those 2 trees there and that blocks the entrance. So I want to track to see if the tracking will happen if somebody appears from the other side of that tree. And so here I am to simulate that. I've opened the gate and there's a little bit of a blind spot there, but look, it caught me and now it's tracking me as I'm walking up to that front door. So if a delivery driver is gonna drop a package off, I'm gonna be able to see that entire sequence. And if somebody's trying to steal it, I'm gonna be able to see that too, have that footage, both on the wide angle and with that other camera with the motion tracking and the pan tilt functions. Let's talk about the downloaded camera footage. So I downloaded that exact footage. This is the wide angle and what it looks like. So I got a good view of everything, but I don't, you know, it would be really hard to punch in and get a good look at myself. But I do like the fact that there's that dual lens that I can get kind of a macro view of the situation. Then the other camera, this one right here, look at the quality. That is great quality. And I haven't even zoomed in. So the police, if you ever submit footage like this to the policeman, they are going to be very impressed with the camera system that you have. So here I am. Look, I just did a little editing trick there. I magically appear from there. But again, imagine if somebody stole a package. I can download this onto my phone, email it to the police, or, you know, upload it to the cloud wherever I want and then send a link. But this quality is amazing. And this is the pan tilt is really important. Now at nighttime, I did get a notification, freaked me out. Thought somebody's in my front yard. It was a spider walking over. So TP-Link, Tapo, you guys gotta somehow fix it so that when little creepy crawlers go over, you don't get that detection. But otherwise, this is working out very well. That tracking of the pan tilt automatically with the solar panel, this is like a one-stop install, and then you don't have to do anything except my handy tips, and that is setting detection zones so you don't get false alarms. And here it is inside of the app. You can see those lines. Those are the detection zones that I've set up. And there you can set up different detection zones for different types of activity, namely motion, person, a pet, or a vehicle. So here I am just adjusting it for the motion. And then I'm going to move to the person. Really, in this situation, they're basically going to be the exact same, both motion and person. But I don't need any kind of pet notifications, nor do I need a vehicle notification in my front lawn. So that is all set up. Now I'm ready to go. And only when somebody opens up that gate am I going to get a notification. So that's going to tell me that it's something that I need to look at if I'm not expecting someone to come over. This pan tilt function works really, really well. And that dual lens camera system makes it really good because you do get that micro and a macro view. And the fact that it comes with this large solar panel means that you're never going to have to charge it. You put a micro SD card in, you're never going to have to pay for cloud subscription. So all in all, it's just a great camera system if you want that peace of mind. And in my case, for getting packages at my front door. Anyway, folks, I hope you enjoyed this review. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy. I'll see you again in the next video.